All right, so today's Fast 5 workout number 3 is going to be crisscrosses, reverse lunges, mountain climbers, as well as hill taps. So stay tuned, I'll go and demonstrate those activities and we'll get started in just a moment. All right, so here we go. Fast 5 workout number 3, number 1. Workout number 1 is going to be crisscrosses. So now, this is what I call crisscrosses. It could be like scissor kicks, it could play, it's up to you guys what you want to name it, okay? My students know it as crisscrosses. So here we go. Just gonna cross your feet. You can go in front and back, or you can just stay in front. Or you can just go in behind. It's completely up to you. I like to go forward and backwards, okay? So that's crisscrosses. That's workout number 1, exercise number 1. Exercise number 2 is going to be reverse lunges. So that's pretty simple. Reverse, you place either your right foot, left foot, whatever you feel comfortable. You're gonna place it backwards, and then your left foot may go forward a little bit, and you're gonna go down and up, okay? I'd recommend maybe doing 5 or 10 of these straight, and then switch sides. So we'll do 5, then I switch, right foot comes forward, left foot goes down, and again, just drop down, all right? So that's exercise number 2. Exercise number 3, mountain climbers, very similar to a push-up position or a push-up plank that we did a few weeks ago. In that push-up position, make sure your hands are about shoulder width apart, get upright, okay? And you're gonna place one foot forward, and you're gonna alternate your feet. You're gonna go back and forth, okay? Like this. Now, the closer you get your knees to your chest, the better the impact of the exercise, okay? So that's mountain climbers. Last one, we got hill taps. You're gonna go on your bottom. You're gonna place your head on the floor. And what you're gonna do is get your hands and you're simply gonna tap your heel and you're gonna go side to side. All right, so that's exercise number 4 is hill taps. So I'm going to get ready and we'll start our Fast 5 workout in just a moment. Here we go, exercise number 1 is going to be crisscrosses. All right, so let's get ready to go. Start in 3, 2, 1, go. Let's go. And if you guys are new to the Fast 5 workouts, just a quick reminder, we're going to do 4 exercises for 30 seconds each. A 1-minute water break, and then we're going to repeat the same 4 exercises for another 30 seconds each. Thus leading us to a 5-minute workout. Great job. Keep up. Keep working hard. You're doing fantastic. Don't quit. All right, next one up, we got reverse lunges. Again, I'm going to do 5 and then I'm going to switch. 4, 5, and switch. Do the best you can. I know it's hard. Woo. I actually have a small ligament in my knee. Still working my best. The best of my abilities. If you have to go slower, that's okay. All right, moving on. We got mountain climbers. Want to get down again. Get your knees to your chest. It's like you're running in place while in a push-up position. All right, on the bottom, let's go. Let's go hill taps. Side to side. Great job. Keep it up, we're almost done with our first round. All right, we got that 1-minute water break, bathroom break, sweat, towel break. Again, do these workouts to the best of your abilities. If you need to slow it down, that's okay. As long as your body's moving and working hard, successful and you're going to get the results you guys want, okay? All right. One more time, Jordan. 15 seconds. Shake it off, take the legs off. Got one more round. Woo! Let's go. You're ready to go. And go. Crisscross this again. You got it. Keep working hard. You're already on your second round. You can do it. Keep going. Don't give up. All right, next one. Reverse lunges. And all the way to 5. Switch. Nice and easy. You're gonna get better every time you do these workouts. If you have not seen Fast 5 workout number 1 and 2, I highly recommend you check those out. All right, moving on. Mountain climbers. Yeah, keep going. It's okay, take breaks. Get up, keep going. All right, last one, we're doing it. Let's go, heel taps. This is it, 30 seconds. Everything you got. And time. Congratulations, you guys just completed Fast 5 workout number 3. You guys did amazing. If you're sweating, if you're tired, if you're exhausted, great job. That means you're putting in the work. Continue working hard. If you guys, again, have not seen Fast 5 1 or 2, highly recommend you do those workouts as well, just because it only takes 5 minutes and it's a great workout. As you can see, I'm out of breath and I'm tired. But you know what? I know it's for a purpose. Keep up the good work. Until next time, take care.